me show y'all this. Sometimes, let me be careful. Sometimes my days go like this. Got my outfit on. I don't have nobody to take my pictures. So guess what? Well, I'm take my ass down these stairs. I'm take myself down these stairs and go work. Cause if nobody can do it for me, guess what? At least I got myself to do it on my own. And that goes for everybody. If you do something in life and it's a time where somebody can't do it for you, learn it yourself. Go do it yourself. Because when all them people not there, you just got yourself. You can't do nothing. How are you beneficial to yourself? The people around you should be beneficial, and you should be beneficial to yourself. And that's period. And I said what I said. And these heels is killing me already. And if you know me, I wear my heels the whole entire time. So, with all of those gems being said, I gotta go work. Bye.